Are you sitting in the bathroom right now straining with nothing happening? Your stomach feels bloated and heavy, and when something finally does move, it feels like passing a rock. Millions of people are dealing with this exact problem, and most think they just need more fiber and water. But what if that advice actually makes things worse sometimes? In this video, I'm going to share the number one food combination that may trigger a bowel movement in as little as 30 minutes for many people. This is not medication. This is a simple food-based approach you can try at home. By the end of this video, you will understand why you are really constipated and what to do about it starting today. Before we get into it, take a second to like this video and subscribe if this is something you struggle with, because understanding why constipation happens is the key to fixing it. 1. The real cause of constipation. Most people think constipation is just about not eating enough fiber, but that is only part of the story. The real issue is that your bowels stop moving properly. Your intestines are supposed to contract in wave-like motions called peristalsis, pushing waste through your digestive tract. When this rhythm gets disrupted, everything slows down or stops. Here is what happens when your gut slows down. Water keeps getting absorbed from the stool as it sits in your colon. The longer it stays there, the more water gets pulled out. The stool becomes harder and drier with each passing hour until it transforms into something that feels like concrete. This is why eating more fiber sometimes makes you feel worse instead of better. You are adding more bulk to a system that is not moving. It is like loading more cars onto a highway that already has a traffic jam. Fiber alone cannot solve constipation. If your intestines are not contracting properly, you could eat all the vegetables in the world. But if your gut is not getting the signal to move, that fiber just sits there, making you more bloated and uncomfortable. 2. What you actually need. To relieve constipation effectively, you need two things working together. Number 1, you need a signal that tells your intestines to start moving again. Your gut has to receive a message that it is time to wake up and start contracting. Number 2, you need something that softens and lubricates the stool, so it can actually pass through without pain. Both elements are absolutely necessary. If you only have movement without lubrication, you are trying to push something hard through a narrow passage, which is painful. If you only have lubrication without movement, the stool might be softer, but it is still not going anywhere. Most constipation remedies fail because they focus on only one piece of the puzzle. What you need is something that addresses both problems simultaneously, and that is exactly what this food combination does. 3. The food combination that works. Now, this part is important because this is where most people get it wrong. The number one food combination for constipation is warm coffee combined with a healthy fat, like olive oil, coconut oil, or whole milk. This might sound too simple, but let me explain the science. First, coffee contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant for your colon. Caffeine stimulates colon contractions in a very specific way. Many people notice they need to use the bathroom shortly after drinking coffee, especially in the morning. This happens because of the gastrocolic reflex. This reflex is triggered when food or drink enters your stomach, and it sends signals to your colon to start contracting. Coffee activates this reflex more powerfully than most other beverages. The warm temperature works even faster because heat activates nerve endings in your gut, telling your digestive system to wake up. Second, dietary fat is essential for healthy bowel movements. Fat performs several critical functions. It lubricates the stool, making it slide through more easily. It stimulates bile release from your gallbladder, and bile acts as a natural laxative that promotes intestinal movement. It also supports the motility of your intestines by providing energy for your gut muscles to contract. People on very low-fat diets often struggle with chronic constipation. Their stool becomes dry and hard because it lacks natural lubrication. Their gut does not get the bile stimulation it needs. Their intestinal muscles do not have enough energy to function properly. Now, here is why the combination matters. Coffee alone may stimulate movement, but if the stool is too hard, movement alone is not enough. You feel the urge, but it is still painful to pass. Fat alone may soften the stool, but without movement, results are slow. When you combine them, coffee signals the bowels to move, while fat helps the stool pass easily by providing lubrication and triggering bile release. The warm temperature enhances both effects. That is why some people feel the urge within 30 minutes. Results vary from person to person based on your digestive system, how long you have been constipated, hydration levels, and other factors. Some respond in 20 minutes, others might need an hour, and some might need to try it for a couple of days. 4. How to use this method. Here is exactly how to try this. In the morning or after a meal, prepare 1 cup of warm coffee. The warmth is important for triggering the gastrocolic reflex. Add either 1 teaspoon of olive oil, or use whole milk or coconut milk instead of low-fat milk or artificial creamers. If using oil directly, start with 1 teaspoon. Some people can handle a tablespoon, but start small if you are not used to it. Drink this slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Do not gulp it down. Give your stomach time to register what is coming and start sending signals to your colon. After finishing, move around gently. Walk around your house, do light stretching, maybe some gentle twists. Movement helps stimulate your intestines even more. Pay attention to your body. You might feel gurgling in your lower abdomen or a sudden urge to use the bathroom. When you feel that urge, do not ignore it. Go to the bathroom and give your body time without straining or forcing. 5 important warnings. This method may not be suitable for everyone. Do not try this if you have severe abdominal pain, suspect an intestinal blockage, see blood in your stool, or have chronic digestive disorders like inflammatory bowel disease or irritable bowel syndrome. Check with your healthcare provider first. If you have any diagnosed medical conditions, do not rely on this method every single day as a permanent solution. Long-term gut health depends on fundamentals. You need to drink enough water throughout the day, not just when constipated. You need to eat vegetables and fiber-rich foods regularly. You need regular meals at consistent times, so your digestive system develops a rhythm. You need daily movement, because physical activity directly stimulates intestinal motility. If you need this combination every day just to have a bowel movement, something deeper is going on that needs to be addressed with a healthcare professional. Conclusion. Constipation is extremely common and nothing to be ashamed of. The key to understanding it is recognizing that it is not just about fiber. It is about movement and lubrication working together. Your intestines need the signal to contract and push waste forward. Your stool needs to be soft and lubricated enough to pass easily. Warm coffee and healthy fat address both need simultaneously. Caffeine stimulates colon contractions and activates the gastrocolic reflex. Warmth enhances this by triggering digestive nerves. Fat provides lubrication, stimulates bile release, and supports intestinal motility. Together, they create conditions that allow many people to have a bowel movement within 30 minutes to an hour. Think of this as a tool, not a cure. Use it when you need relief, but also work on underlying habits that support digestive health. Stay hydrated, eat whole foods, move your body regularly, and manage stress, because it has a huge impact on gut function. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Share your experience in the comments. Let me know if this worked for you and what you noticed. In the next video, I will talk about surprising foods that actually make constipation worse. Foods many people think are healthy but slow down digestion. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find relief soon.